In this video, I will show you how to redeem bonus in 1xBet. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. So if you want to redeem any bonus in 1xBet, this is exactly what you should do. The first is to click on registration. Now, there are four options, but there's only one that's going to help you get a bonus, which is the third option that says by email. Once you come over here, you're going to put in your surname and your name. You're going to choose your country from where you are. So for instance, if you're from Kenya, you're going to choose Kenya, your country is going to change to Kenyan shillings. So you're going to choose your date of birth and then apply it. So once you choose your date of birth, just apply it. Once that's done, go ahead and put in a valid email address and then put in a valid password. To create a password, you're going to use these four requirements. You can read through the requirements, and once done, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. So if you use the promo code LEOTV, you're going to receive 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit 10,000, you receive 30,000. So how do you redeem that code? To redeem that code, you just have to fill in the three details here and then register your account. After registering your account, complete your first deposit. Immediately you register your account. Once that is done, that code is going to redeem and you're going to receive your bonus money immediately. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.